Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the speed test comparison between the Poco X3 versus the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. The Poco X3 has a Snapdragon 732G processor and the Samsung Galaxy M51 has a Snapdragon 730G processor. So let's see friends, in the speed test which phone will be the best as well. And during the speed test, I'll be using the three games, so which is the Call of Duty, Free Fire and the PUBG game. So I'll try to open all of these three games one by one, side by side. So let's see which phone will actually open the game faster and which will load the game faster as well. So if you are interested later, I can try using other applications like YouTube, Flipkart and Play Store and general day-to-day applications like Facebook and WhatsApp as well. So that is for another video, but this is the game speed test comparison between the Poco X3 versus the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. And in case if you want to know what wallpaper I'm using and what is this iOS launcher I'm using, so try to check the links in description. Each and everything is available in the links in the description friends. So try to check the links and you can find the videos for that. So now first let me try to open this Free Fire game. First let's see which phone will actually open the faster. So right now I did clear all the applications from the background in both the phones. So now let me try to open the Free Fire game in both the phones at the same time. So let's see which phone will open faster. As you can see, I clicked the both games at the same time, and there is a real-time FPS count meter available in the Poco X3 and even in the Samsung Galaxy M51 device as well. So in case if you want to know, you can check those videos. As you can see, the Poco X3 loaded a little bit faster than this Samsung Galaxy M51 device. So a little bit faster, not much faster. Even the menu got loaded slightly faster here, and you can see the daily logins as well, everything. So this is a little bit faster, the Poco X3. I think close to 1 second faster. That's it. That's not a big difference overall. So now let me try to open the other game here, which is a Call of Duty. So let me try. So as you can see, so you can easily differentiate both phones depending on this FPS count meter. So if you are seeing this FPS count meter which belongs to the Poco X3, and if you are seeing other FPS count meter that belongs to the Samsung Galaxy M51 device, and right now both phones are loading at the same time without much delay. And as you can see, the pop-up window has come both at the same time, so not much delay as well. And the game is loading currently, as you can see here. So let's see which phone will actually open faster. So Samsung Galaxy M51 is little bit, I think 0.5 seconds faster than the Poco X3 device. So let me try to close it, and what I'll do, I'll try to open all those applications again back from the memory. So let's see whether which game will be there in the memory in which phone. So let me try finally the PUBG game here. So it is a PUBG game. So let me try to open at the same time. As you can see, both phones are opened at the same time, the PUBG game. So let's see which phone can actually opens faster the game. As you can see, the Poco X3 did open the PUBG game slightly faster than the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. And you can see the animations as well slightly faster in the Poco X3. So overall in the PUBG, I think both phones they did open slightly same. So there is not much delay as well. So now it's the time to go back to all those applications what we opened from the memory, and let's see which game will be there actually in the memory. So first let me try with the Free Fire game. As you can see, both phones are actually in the memory only. The game did not try to restart anywhere. As you can see, both are pretty good. And now let me try to close this game, and let me try to open the next game, which is a Call of Duty game. Sorry, from the multitasking tray, let me try to open the Call of Duty. As you can see, both phones they do have the game in their memory, so without any problem. And now let me try to open the final game, which is the PUBG game. As you can see, friends, so both phones they're having same kind of comparison like speed test in terms of the opening and closing all the applications. So that's another good advantage in both the smartphones, Poco X3 and the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more interesting videos make sure to follow me regularly, and thank you, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.